What's up, guys? Today's video is on the top 5 best cameras for YouTube in 2023. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that'll meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Introducing our top pick for the best portable camera for YouTube in 2023, the DJI Pocket 2. As a follow-up to DJI's Osmo Pocket, the Pocket 2 features an enhanced camera and gimbal system for ultra-smooth 4K video recording, offering 4K footage at up to 60 FPS, active track, mechanical stabilization, and a compact design. The Pocket 2 is an essential addition to any videographer's gear. The standout features of the Pocket 2 are its mechanically stabilized camera that fits comfortably in a pocket and the ability to shoot in various resolutions and frame rates, as well as 2.7K HDR. The battery lasts for over 2 hours of video recording, ensuring ample time for capturing footage. While the touchscreen and slide-out module for accessories can be slightly cumbersome, the Pocket 2 delivers an impressive balance of performance and convenience, unrivaled by other products on the market. DJI designed this compact gimbal camera to fit easily in your pocket, providing a lightweight and portable solution for videographers. The Pocket 2 is the length of a smartphone, albeit narrower, and includes a protective case for secure storage during transport. It features 3 control buttons, 2 below the front touchscreen for recording and multifunction use, and 1 on the side for power. Due to its small size, the Pocket 2 can be held while recording without causing fatigue. The touchscreen serves as both a monitor and a means to access settings when a smartphone is not connected. Swiping in different directions allows users to navigate various options. Battery life is sufficient for an afternoon shoot, with nearly 2 hours of footage possible before recharging is needed. The DJI Pocket 2 excels in features that enable users to capture footage difficult to achieve with just a smartphone or dedicated camera. These include the automatic active track function, which locks onto subjects, and motion lapse, which captures moving time lapses without the need for costly motorized equipment. The device smoothly adjusts exposure when transitioning between bright and dark areas, preventing overexposure. In our review series, the next item to discuss is the Sony ZV-1. Based on user feedback and evaluations, this vlogging camera is considered the top pick for YouTube in 2023. The Sony ZV-1 is a sleek 20-megapixel camera specifically designed for vloggers. It boasts an innovative directional microphone alongside the flash and a fully adjustable touchscreen. The ZV-1 can shoot in 4K at up to 30p and Full HD at up to 120p. It also features a 24 to 70mm equivalent f1.8 to 2.8 lens. While designed with vloggers in mind, the ZV-1 doubles as a highly competent traditional compact camera. For hybrid shooters interested in capturing both video and stills without carrying multiple cameras, the ZV-1 is an excellent choice. On the top panel, you'll find a prominent red record button and a customizable C1 button set by default to the defocus function. This feature adjusts the lens to blur the background while keeping the subject in sharp focus. The ZV-1's ergonomics may appear unconventional initially, but they become intuitive once you begin shooting. A small grip on the right side ensures comfortable shooting in both selfie mode and standard positions. One significant advantage of the ZV-1 is the ease of switching between video and photo recording, further simplified by utilizing the camera's memory recall functions. These allow you to personalize settings groups, including shooting mode, exposure settings, and image or video quality, enabling quick transitions between them. The ZV-1 includes a microphone windshield, commonly known as a dead cat. The rear of the ZV-1 features a large touchscreen and the camera's sole control dial. The microphone, HDMI cable, and USB charging ports are conveniently located on the camera's right side, opposed to the hinged screen, ensuring unhindered operation. Now let's focus on the primary aspect, image quality. The ZV-1 delivers remarkable results with accurate white balance, vibrant colors, and minimal noise at lower ISO settings. Beauty effects allow you to enhance images containing faces using filters such as skin toning, smoothing, gloss removal, teeth whitening, and eye dilation. The ZV-1's autofocus and tracking capabilities are top-notch, featuring both human and animal eye tracking, making it ideal for pet photography. Thumbs up. Introducing the Sony A7S III, recognized as the ultimate luxury camera for YouTube in 2023. This versatile and potent mirrorless camera caters to discerning filmmakers with its compact, robust design and comprehensive suite of professional video capabilities. As the third entry in the A7S series, it offers resolutions up to 4K UHD, frame rates reaching 240 FPS, and an extensive array of image profiles and log modes. While primarily designed for video, the Sony A7S III is no slouch in photography, boasting a rapid continuous shooting speed of up to 10 FPS. Its 12.1 megapixel full-frame sensor excels in low light thanks to the sizable pixels. The camera employs Sony's E-mount lens system, granting access to a vast and expanding collection of first and third-party lenses, including several premium options. For this review, we primarily used Sony's FE 12-24mm f4 G wide-angle zoom lens, priced around £1,700, a few older A-mount lenses attached via Sony's LA EA4 adapter. Constructed with a magnesium alloy frame and comprehensive weather resistance, the A7S III is built to endure. While sturdy, it remains lightweight at 699 grams, including battery and memory card, when not using a lens, allowing for comfortable carrying during extended periods. The A7S III introduces a new battery type that lasts significantly longer, providing approximately 90 minutes of video or 600 photos per charge. Additionally, the camera now features dual memory card slots, each compatible with SD and CF Express Type A cards. The latter is a novel, smaller yet more durable card type with exceptional read-write speeds, making the A7S III the first consumer camera to support it. A notable improvement from previous models, this iteration adopts a side-swiping LCD screen capable of rotating nearly 180 degrees. This enhancement benefits vloggers and self-shooters by allowing for improved framing, while all users will appreciate the added flexibility. The screen is bright, detailed, and features user-friendly touch controls. The A7S III boasts an impressive array of video options, including 3840 by 2160 and 1920 by 1080 resolutions, 4K and Full HD with variable frame rates and bit rates, as well as 7 preset picture profiles. Furthermore, the camera's built-in 5-axis in-body image stabilization enhances manual video and photo shooting. The Sony A7 III excels in sensitivity, with its large sensor pixels capturing more light than most cameras, making it ideal for low-light situations. Its ability to shoot up to 10 FPS continuously, combined with robust autofocus performance, renders this camera suitable for capturing fast-moving subjects. Introducing the GoPro Hero 11 Black, widely regarded as the top action camera for YouTube in 2023. While the GoPro series is renowned for its action and outdoor focus, many users have embraced it for daily use. The GoPro Hero 11 offers several enhancements, such as a new sensor, better stabilization, and more. A standout feature of the GoPro Hero 11 is its unique 8:7 sensor, which provides an unusual but practical aspect ratio for video creators. This new sensor allows for higher quality photo and video capture and improved composition. The 8:7 aspect ratio grants users the flexibility to shoot more and crop according to their preferences, whether for TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube videos. Additionally, the new sensor expands the field of view for more striking footage. The GoPro Hero 11's digital lens can accommodate the 8:7 aspect ratio and produce immersive images up to 16:19. The updated sensor also increases photo resolution to 27 megapixels compared to the Hero 10's 23 megapixels. Another significant enhancement in the Hero 11 is the ability to record in 10-bit color, providing professionals with greater latitude for color grading. The GoPro Hero 10's hyper-smooth 4.0 stabilization system was already impressive, but the Hero 11 takes it further with the new hyper-smooth 5.0 feature. Hyper-smooth intelligently zooms in when detecting shake, enabling the Hero 11 to stabilize moving images effectively. Moreover, the GoPro Hero 11 Black now offers a full 360-degree horizon lock, allowing users to tilt the camera in any direction while maintaining a stable horizon. The Hero 11 also introduces 3 new night modes to elevate the time-lapse experience. Star Trails mode captures stunning light trails in the sky by utilizing Earth's rotation and star movement. Light painting mode enables the creation of brushstroke effects with moving lights, while Vehicle Light Trails leverages night traffic to generate light trails. Included in the package are USB-A to Type-C cable, a small bag, and the camera itself. The GoPro Hero 11 is a powerful and versatile camera, perfect for those seeking an action camera that can also cater to everyday recording needs. Introducing the Panasonic Lumix GH6, regarded by numerous reviews and user experiences as the best overall camera for YouTube in 2023. The Lumix G series, Panasonic's flagship line of mirrorless cameras with interchangeable lenses based on the Micro Four Thirds mount, has a new star, the 25.2 megapixel GH6. This compact camera boasts a plethora of cinematic features, such as 5.7K 60 FPS video Apple ProRes 422 HQ recording, 7.5 stops of in-body image stabilization, 4-channel XLR audio recording, and a highly adjustable monitor. The GH6's small and lightweight design houses an impressive range of video options and excellent image quality. It also offers superb handling, image stabilization, and outstanding contrast-based autofocus performance. While full-frame sensors may excel in low light, create shallower depth of field, and offer a broader dynamic range, Micro Four Thirds cameras are typically more compact, lighter, and cost-effective. Furthermore, the smaller sensor size allows for more effective stabilization. All these advantages can be found in the GH6, making it an appealing choice for a wide range of users. In addition to its video capabilities, the GH6 performs admirably in still photography. Its contrast-based autofocus performance is a significant improvement over the GH5 II, and small touches like dual count-up lights and shutter buttons enhance the user experience. The camera's case is dust and water resistant, built with a sturdy magnesium alloy frame, and capable of functioning at temperatures as low as -10 degrees Celsius, 14 degrees Fahrenheit. The 3-inch touchscreen on the GH6 is among the best on recent Panasonic Lumix GH models, featuring a highly flexible design that swivels, twists, and tilts, similar to the full-frame Panasonic Lumix S1H. This design not only allows for shooting at unconventional angles, but also enables connecting full-size USB and HDMI cables without obstructing the display. The lightweight and compact body is a key benefit of the camera's small sensor size. For filmmakers who prefer manual focus, the GH6 excels in this area as well. When adjusting the lens ring to focus, the screen or viewfinder displays a magnified view of your subject for precise focusing. This versatile camera caters to a wide array of creative needs, making it an ideal choice for YouTube content creators in 2023. Overall, this model delivers top-level performance at an unbeatable price-quality ratio. You wanted the best, you got it. So that's it for the top 5 best cameras for YouTube in 2023. Like, comment, and subscribe to receive the notifications about our latest video.